Ever found yourself eyeing that perfect something, but your wallet's whispering a firm not today? We've all been there. That's where by now, pay later services like Zip Pay can be a real game changer. But the burning question is, where exactly can you unleash your inner shopaholic with Zip Pay? That's what we're diving into today. Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're tackling the ultimate guide to Zip Pay shopping. We're going to explore the different types of stores that accept Zip Pay, how to find them, and even share some insider tips to maximize your shopping experience. Because let's face it, knowing where you can use Zip Pay is just as important as knowing how to use it. So, what kind of stores are we talking about? Well, the beauty of Zip Pay lies in its versatility. It's not just limited to one specific niche. You'll find Zip Pay accepted across a wide spectrum of retail categories, from fashion and electronics to homeware, beauty, and even services. Think of it as your flexible friend, ready to help you snag that must-have item, no matter what it is. Let's break it down a bit further. Fashion fanatics, rejoice! Zip Pay is a popular option at many online clothing boutiques and even some brick-and-mortar stores. Whether you're looking for the latest trends, classic staples, or that perfect outfit for a special occasion, chances are you'll find a retailer that partners with Zip Pay. From big-name brands to smaller, independent designers, the options are surprisingly diverse. Tech enthusiasts, we haven't forgotten about you. Need that new laptop, phone, or gaming console? Many electronics retailers, both online and in physical stores, offer Zip Pay as a payment option. This can be especially helpful for those bigger purchases where spreading out the payments can make a real difference. Home decor dreams. Zip Pay can help you furnish your space and bring your interior design vision to life. From furniture and appliances to smaller decorative items, you can find a wide range of homeware stores that accept Zip Pay. Imagine finally getting that statement rug or that comfy armchair you've been eyeing, all without breaking the bank in one go. Beauty buffs, get ready to treat yourself. From makeup and skincare to hairstyling tools and fragrances, Zip Pay can be your secret weapon for stocking up on your favorite beauty essentials. Many online beauty retailers, and even some physical stores, partner with Zip Pay, making it easier than ever to indulge in a little self-care. But it's not just about physical goods. Zip Pay can also be used for certain services, like travel, experiences, and even some healthcare providers. This can open up a whole new world of possibilities, allowing you to book that dream vacation or take care of those essential appointments without financial stress. Now, the million-dollar question, how do you actually find these stores? The easiest way is to head straight to the Zip Pay website or app. They have a handy store directory that lists all the retailers that currently partner with them. You can search by category, keyword, or even browse through their curated collections. This is your go-to resource for discovering new places to shop with Zip Pay. Another great tip is to look for the Zip Pay logo at checkout. Whether you're shopping online or in a physical store, if you see the Zip Pay logo, it means they accept it as a payment method. It's a quick and easy way to identify participating retailers. Don't forget to check the retailer's website or contact their customer service if you're unsure. Sometimes, even if a store doesn't explicitly advertise Zip Pay, they might still offer it as an option. It never hurts to ask. Now, let's talk about maximizing your Zip Pay shopping experience. One of the key things to remember is to always budget responsibly. Just because you can spread out your payments doesn't mean you should overspend. It's crucial to create a repayment plan and stick to it to avoid any late fees or negative impacts on your credit score. Another tip is to take advantage of any special offers or promotions that Zip Pay might be running. They often partner with retailers to offer exclusive discounts or cashback deals, so keep an eye out for those opportunities to save even more money. Finally, remember to read the terms and conditions of your Zip Pay account carefully. Understand the fees, repayment schedules, and any other relevant information. This will help you use Zip Pay responsibly and avoid any surprises down the road. So, there you have it. A comprehensive guide to where you can shop with Zip Pay. From fashion and electronics to homeware, beauty, and even services, the possibilities are vast. By using the Zip Pay Store directory, looking for the logo at checkout, and contacting retailers directly, you can unlock a world of shopping opportunities. And remember, responsible budgeting is key to making the most of this flexible payment option. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.